Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, TJ and I checking some of the webcams. Of course, you saw in the westerly the snow covering the ground. It only took 30 minutes for that to happen. And where was it in eastern Connecticut? 395. So Route 395, which is just over the Connecticut-Rhode Island border, that highway started to get snow covered as well. So bottom line, the plan of having this rain changing over to wet snow is starting. Some areas it's still raining, but the switch to wet snow is likely. Take a look at pictures in Providence right now with a cold rain. And here I do expect in the next hour or two for some of these drops to turn into big wet snowflakes. And for a time, it's going to come down very hard. Would not surprise me if it's snowing at the rate of 1, even 2 inches per hour. So for this evening, the wintry mix on schedule here to head over to some wet snow and some heavy bursts of snow, especially inland areas, but even the coastline, some heavy snow for a while, and rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, along with thunder snow. In other words, claps of thunder while it's snowing heavily are likely. Once we get beyond midnight, say beyond 1 o'clock in the morning, the precipitation, the intensity starts to ease up. Though still some snow overnight, some slow travel this evening and during the overnight. Power outages for 2 reasons. 1 being the strong gusts along the coastline, and 2, the weight of the snow clinging to tree limbs and power lines, especially northwest suburbs. That's where we're forecasting the most snow. By tomorrow morning, it's just lingering light snow showers are left over. The storm is pulling away gusty winds, and it will turn drier during the afternoon hours. Winter storm warning has been extended into Kent County. This area in pink, it does include downtown Providence. Quite simply, the pink areas have the better chance of higher snowfall totals. Winter weather advisory in purple. Accumulations here as well, though not as high. Snow, not as much of an issue across southeastern Mass. However, I do expect Newport to New Bedford to get maybe a slushy inch or 2. Wind speeds gusty on the order of 45 to 55 miles per hour along the coastline in Newport. That includes southeastern Massachusetts as well. Inland wind speeds between 30 and 40. So strong along the coast, perhaps not as intense as the last nor'easter, but the wind is still a factor. Temperature now dropping in westerly with some of the steadier snow that's starting right now, 36 in Providence. And again, my concern, especially northwest suburbs where we're forecasting the most snow, it's pasty, it's wet, it will stick to tree limbs and power lines and causing them to sag, so isolated out or power outages are possible due to the weight of the snow, and then again due to the strong wind along the coastline. Very impressive storm spinning off the New Jersey coastline right now, tracking more east, and that result is a slightly colder scenario, a slightly snowier scenario, and why we've increased our snowfall accumulations. I'll show you that in just a second. Futurecast, 7 o'clock this evening. The blue represents snow. The green and yellow is rain. 11 o'clock at night, snowing hard. Temperatures in the lower 30s. The intensity of the snow after midnight is lighter. And then by tomorrow morning, perhaps a leftover snow shower, but the worst of the precipitation is over. Looking at mainly cloudy, windy, and dry conditions most of the day into the early afternoon. 2 o'clock, temperatures upper 30s to around 40. Could be a couple of flurries tomorrow evening, but essentially dry for your Thursday night. So those snowfall amounts have been increased. Northwest suburbs, as little as 6 to as much as 10 power outages due to the weight of the heavy snow. The I-95 corridor, we're forecasting 4 to 6. So what we're trying to convey here is the amounts could be as little as 4 to as much as 6. And you get out towards southern suburbs, anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of some wet snow. And again, it has a lot of weight, which means the tree limbs and power lines will be compromised. You see that rain switching to wet snow, heavy snow this evening through the midnight hour. Things are on the improve tomorrow morning, despite some snow showers early, but certainly power outages linger tomorrow morning, and certainly secondary roads, those are usually the toughest to clear out. Those will be compromised by tomorrow morning as well. Better tomorrow afternoon, quiet weather Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. So next 1 to 2 hours, we start to see that transition over to wet snow, and in some locations that has occurred already. And for a time, it's going to come down very, very hard.
All right, Tony, thank you.